Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add hydraulic oil on a manual pallet jack. So what you need, some rags, you need gloves, maybe you don't need the gloves, you need the hydraulic oil, and you also need a hex key set to find the best fit. So what you need to do is you need to open this part up, and before that you need to turn this jack to the right side. The wheel is facing the left side, so you can be able to access this, and then make sure you've put it all the way down. So make sure it's not raised like this. So yank it all the way down by pressing this. Make sure it's all the way down to the ground. Turn this to the right. Open this up. So you just turn it counterclockwise. Just put it in, press it in until it starts flowing down. That's how you know you have enough. So when it starts dripping off, that's how you know you have enough. So what you need to do next is just to close it up. That's how you add hydraulic fluid or hydraulic oil on your manual pallet jack. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.